how to update your username in Whatnot. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Start by opening up Whatnot application for that and make sure that you are logged in into your account for that. So go ahead and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And once it is done, we can just head over and guard for the option called account icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And our account settings opens up with a bunch of different options going on. So what we can do is we can just go over and guard for the view profile option right below our current username. So go ahead and tap on it. After that, we'll be taken with the space. We can look out for this pencil edit profile option and go ahead and tap on it. Now, once we do so, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for the display name or the username section. So go ahead and tap on it. And after you do so, you can just go over and type in the new display name that you're using. And look out for the save or done option in the top right to save up your changes. And go ahead and save up your changes. And you should be able to do it. And username must be unique. Use only lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores, and be 30 characters or few. And you can usually change your username once every 24 hours. And you can't change your username if you have pending orders as a buyer or seller. Wait until all the orders are completed before trying again. And then only you will be able to do it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.